Hello, class 3. Hope you are all well. I am also fine. Today is a happy day because today is Saturday. Sorry, Sunday. So I can teach you a lesson. Let's go to the next slide. Today's lesson is your paragraph, My Daily Life. In writing my daily life, we always use 5 parts. They are number 1, name, such as my name is dash dash dash. Number 2, home routine. Home routine means I wake up at this time, I take my breakfast, I brush my teeth. That is home routine, morning routine. Then number 3, school routine. I go to school and friend time also part of school routine. I spend, play with friends after third class in the tiffin time. Number 4, family time routine. Then you come back home and then what you do is your family time routine. Maybe you spend time with grandfather or your parents or watch TV. That is your family time routine or a personal routine. 5, ending with a bedtime. In the last time, you always end when you go to bed. So, let's begin our paragraph. I have made it like half paragraph, half essay type. You can always keep it within 5 lines. You don't have to take all the sentences. I am reading the long version and then I shall tell you the short version. Name. My name is Adam. And you write down what is your name. Don't write Adam. My name is, but if you write Adam, I won't take marks for your name because you can call yourself Adam. I have a very favorite nickname, that is Ginny. If I meet a stranger who doesn't know me outside, if they ask me what is your name, I always tell them my name is Ginny. Actually, my name is not Ginny. So my fake name is Ginny because I don't tell my name to strangers. My daily life. My name is Adam. I always wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I do some exercises. Then I put my clothes on and prepare my school bag. Next, I have my breakfast and wait for the school bus. Here, those of you don't have school bus, so you can cut this line. Next, I have breakfast and go to school. At 8 o'clock, I go to school and start my first class. Then I go to the second class. After that, I often take my lunch break and talk with my friends. At around 12 noon, I go back home and take a rest. Next, I usually watch some TV and chat with my family. Then I do my homework and help my mother in the house. At 9 o'clock, I read a book and go to sleep. See, I kept it big so that you are in class 3. In the next year, you are going to class 4 and you don't have a literature book. So, I try to put as much literature as I can in your paragraph. But here you can omit some lines. I am now telling you the short version. Listen to me carefully. My name is Adam. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. I have my breakfast at 7:30 and at 8 o'clock I go to school. After tiffin break, I take my lunch and play with my friend. At 12 noon, I go back home and take rest. In the evening, I watch some TV and chat with my family. Then I do my homework. Full stop. At I know 9 o'clock. Nobody goes to sleep nowadays. So at 10 o'clock, I go to sleep. So it is 5 or 6 lines. I kept it big because you don't read English storybooks nowadays, so your word stock of word is becoming very limited. In English for English for today, there are limited words for you. That's why I am keeping the paragraph huge, and you can always, I told you the short version, you can always write the short version. Don't have to do too much. This is just for your reading. Make it short. Within 5 lines, you can finish my daily life. I'm again telling the short version. My name is dash dash dash. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. At 7:30 I take my breakfast, and at 8 o'clock I go to school. In the tiffin break, I take my lunch and talk and play with my friend. At 12 noon, I go back home and take a rest. In the evening, I watch some TV and chat with my family. Then I do my homework. At 9 o'clock, sorry, you don't sleep at 9 o'clock. I know that. At 10 o'clock, I go to sleep. Your HW is not learn the question answer, learn the paragraph. Model exams on next week. For fun, you can send me a routine, your stay home routine, your daily home routine life. Because what I told you, that is your general routine when you used to go to school premises, your school building. But nowadays you stay at home and study. So you can also send me your daily routine in quarantine, but at home for fun. And you can also write it in the, if it stays the same way, you can write my daily routine as your stay home routine. Okay? Then do your homework daily, study hard, stay home, stay safe. Wash your hands every 20 minutes or after half an hour. Wash your hands with soap. You know the hand wash routine? Okay, I shall show you tomorrow. I will keep a for you video of clips for you how to wash your hands. Bye bye.